Hello friends, Philately of India for the year 2020. A selection from our collection. Indian philately has no inhibitions in being trendy. 9 stamps are issued to promote and acknowledge Indian fashion designers' creations. On the Republic Day of India, that is 26th of January, 2 stamps are issued on the theme Constitution of India. A father writes in a letter to his son, "Be sure to lay wide streets with shady trees. Be sure that there is plenty of space for lawns and gardens. Reserve large areas for football and hockey. Earmark the areas for temples, mosques and churches." The father is Jamshedji Tata and the son is Dorabji Tata. This letter was written 5 years before the site of the steel plant was located. The occasion of the stamp is centenary of the foundation of industrial city Jamshedpur. UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India Series 2. 5 stamps are published depicting Manas Wildlife Sanctuary on the foothills of Himalaya, Great Himalayan National Park in Himachal Pradesh. 2 stamps on Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park, Uttarakhand, Western Ghats, Sahyadri Range. 6 sea tenant stamps on the theme Musical Instruments of Wandering Minstrels. From top left clockwise, Kamaicha, Iktara, Surando, Burra Katha, Alguj, Ravanahatta. 7 stamps are printed on the theme Terracotta Temples of India. UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India Series 3. Clockwise from top left, Historical City of Ahmedabad, Sarkhej Roja. Churches and Convents of Goa, Church of Bom Jesus. Qutub Minar and Monuments, Delhi. Khajuraho and Monuments at Javdi Mandir. Group of Monuments at Pattadakal. 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. 4 stamps are published on 4 themes, namely Health and Nature Cure, Ecology and Environment, Experiments in Education, and Self-Reliance. 75 years of United Nations. Earlier on the theme United Nations, 3 stamps were issued in the years 1954, 1985, 1995. Salute to COVID-19 warriors. 4 stamps are issued. Thank you for keeping company of Vishwas Joshi. To encompass the diversity, richness and vastness of India, the lens of Philately of India has to be telescopic, has to be microscopic and has to be wide-angled. The Department of Post Philately has more than equaled this demand. In 27 episodes so far, we have covered the canvas of Philately of India from 1947 to 2020. During the commentary, ample use of the information brochure published by Department of Post was made. Stay tuned to our channel Swananda Lahari.